Quick guide, how to use a Steam game key in 1 minute. Step 1. Open the Steam client on your computer and sign in. If you're not signed in, enter your Steam username and password and log in. Step 2. From the top menu, choose Games, then click Activate a product on Steam. A product activation wizard appears. Click Next to continue. Step 3. Type or paste your product key into the field and click Next. Steam will validate the key. Wait for confirmation that the product is added. Step 4. Go to your library, find the new game, then click Install. Choose Install Location, agree to any prompts, and watch the download progress. Once installed, click Play to launch. Verify the game runs and updates if needed. Troubleshooting. Invalid key, region restrictions, or account mismatch are common causes. If issues persist, restart Steam, check your email for receipts, or contact Steam support. Enjoy your game.